AXA-XL is focused on continuous improvement of the renewal and auto-renewal processes. This tutorial explains how agents can review their upcoming renewal accounts, find coverage for eligible auto-renewals, and obtain policy documents in just a few short steps. The renewal list icon is located on the left-hand side menu. This allows you to easily view and track the status of your upcoming renewals. Simply click on this tab, select the appropriate agency name from the drop-down list, and select your regional office location. A list of your agency's upcoming renewal accounts will then be displayed. This list will show accounts that are expiring within the next 90 days. This range can be updated by selecting the expiry date filter checkbox and then selecting the desired date range. To begin the renewal process, click on the Create Renewal link in the first column and follow the information prompts to proceed. Now let's review the auto-renewal process. This feature allows you to identify which accounts are eligible for auto-renewals within the next 90 days. To begin, please locate and click on the Renewal List tab on the left-hand side menu. Select the appropriate agency name from the drop-down list and the desired date range. The first column, titled Renewal Status, will show options to either create a renewal or create an auto-renewal. Accounts that include an option to auto-renewal are qualified and eligible to be auto-renewed. To begin the auto-renewal process on an eligible account, click on the auto-renewal link located in the first column. You will receive an option to update the firm profile. If updates are necessary, please proceed and then navigate back to this section. If no updates are necessary, select No to proceed. You will receive a note requesting confirmation to proceed with the auto-renewal by selecting Yes or No. Firms that completed an approved educational risk management program will receive a 10% premium credit. Fronted or preemptive PLEP credits are not available, so please confirm the completion before proceeding. To determine if the firm has successfully completed and earned a PLEP credit for the upcoming term, please refer to the appropriate column on the renewal list screen. After selecting Yes, you will be brought to the renewal application file where you will have the ability to download copies of the renewal binder and policy documents. Approved policies will be instantly available. Please note that in some instances, a member of the underwriting team will need to issue the policy documents, which will be available to you promptly. Please contact your underwriter with any questions, and thank you for your support.